Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to enable push notifications for Smartsheet on your iPhone so you never miss updates, mentions, or reminders. So, step one is to enable notifications in iPhone settings. So, open Settings app on your iPhone. Now, what you need to do is to scroll down and go to Apps. Now, in here, go to Search bar and search on Smartsheet. Once you found it, click on it. And up here, click on Notifications and make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. If it is turned off, click on it to turn it on. And make sure you enable Lock Screen, Notification Center, and Banners so that alerts will appear properly. Step 2 is to enable notifications inside Smartsheet. So close Settings and open Smartsheet app. Now, once you're on the app, tap on your profile icon at the top left. Go to Settings and select Push Notifications and turn on the alerts that you want, like mentions, updates, and reminders. So make sure you enable this reminders right here and click on Done. Next, you can open the sheet you're working on and then tap on Automation or Alerts and Actions and make sure notifications are set up. If there are no rules, you won't receive any alerts, even if notifications are turned on. Now, if you're still not getting notifications, you can try this quick fixes. So close and reopen the app, restart your iPhone, or reinstall the Smartsheet app. And that's it. That's how you enable push notifications on Smartsheet using iPhone. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.